welcome back to another video. It's very squishy, and today I have a Jennalyn squishy package. Oh my god, I'm super duper excited. It came in a priority mailbox, but I didn't order that, so I have no clue. But here it is. I'm concerned why it's so thin, but I don't know, I'm just so excited. I ordered two things, and I haven't ordered from Jennalyn. I think Jennalyn's my first squishy package I ever got from, so I was like, why don't I order? I don't know if I need scissors. Probably not. So very excited. And I'm also going to Florida, so I'm going to try to upload 2 videos. It's Thursday, and I'm trying to make a video. So sticky. Upload a video on Friday because I'm not, and then because I'm leaving on Easter Sunday, which is Easter. Yeah. Oh my god, it's my Jennalyn package. So you guys can have a first peek inside. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. I hope that's the other half inside. Okay, so you guys can look inside. I see the back of the bag. I'm not looking at all. Is there anything good in there? Whew. Okay, so my aunt bought me this package. So I'm just gonna unzip it. I didn't look at all. First thing I pull out is my mini pink little cake. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so surprising. Okay, so there was like a little mishap. I think they did priority mail because this cake was I ordered a yellow one, and then they didn't have it in stock when I ordered it, so they could give me a pink or a chocolate. I chose pink, and the pink was more expensive, but I got it for the same price. So here it is. So soft. I'm like, why not add this to my order? Because I got one really big thing. And then I'm also getting another squishy package tomorrow. Well, I'm ordering one tomorrow for Easter, and it's gonna get shipped to my house in Florida. Everything's super duper cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's double package. Okay, so I do have the Dumbo one of this, matchy. So yeah, I really like this squishy. It's really soft and yeah. Okay, I'm super excited. So the next thing I pull out is my jumbo. Oh wait, something fell out. Okay, my jumbo. Oh my god, pony bar lemon. It's so big. It's actually a little smaller than I expected. Oh my gosh. This one smells so good. Okay, so here it is. It's so cute. It's a little pop gold. And then it's super pretty and it opens. There's an acrylic charm. That's a little like lemonade. And then there's a Just Pluggy. Oh my gosh. So let's give this one a big squish. And then it has a little cheeky monkey. What? Take this out, but it's still like really squishy, and I'll take it out. I'll show you guys in another video probably tomorrow when I take it out, because this one won't take way too long, and I just go eat dinner. Oh my god, oh my god, they gave me so many cute extras. Okay, the bag is obviously so cute. What? Okay, so they gave me a squishy extra. I'm so happy. It's this little Gudetama mini bun. It's pretty squishy actually. Okay, so if you leave like a note to your order, you get like a squishy extra. Wow, I actually really like this one. I love this one too. It's so
Gucci soft. I don't know why I said Gucci.
This smells like the old days. Oh my gosh, like when you would order your squishy package and get all unlicensed squishies. It smells like that unlicensed smell. Brings back so many memories, like popcorn. Okay, enough with that. Okay, so if you don't really want to see the extras, then sorry. So here is this little like little cat. I love Jennalyn. They give so many cute extras. A little punch, like sour punch thing. I love those. Thank you so much. You gotta be kidding! It's a little rabbit pen. Oh my god, I'm definitely using it for school. It's like a gel rabbit pen. So cute. Oh my gosh. A little tattoo with Snoopy. Ah, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then the rest are stickers, I believe. Yeah. So the first sticker
is this Jennalyn squishies. I'm like in shock. This is like, this is so unusual. So like shark eating a little cute teddy bear. A cat sticker saying meow. What the heck is this? Like a rabbit on a mushroom? And rabbit, because I think it's like, because it's Easter in like 2 or 3 days, whatever. Oh my god, the bag is like,
you would have been so grateful. Okay, wow. I hope this is airy when I take it out. Oh my god, it smells so good, like lemons. And then I got this little cute extra. And then this. So that's the video. Give it a big like if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below. Remember, #berries, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.